Bird goes tweet and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that horse? What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What does the fox say? The secret of the fox, ancient mystery, somewhere deep in the woods. I know you're hiding. What is your sound? Will we ever know? Will always be a mystery. What do you say? You're my guardian angel, hiding in the woods. What is your Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Ducks say quack, and fish go blub, and the seal goes ow, ow, ow. But there's one sound that no one knows. What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. Happy, 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 ho. What the fox say? What the fox say? Big blue eyes, pointy nose, chasing mice and digging holes. Tiny paws up the hill. Suddenly you're standing still. Your fur is red, so beautiful, like an angel in disguise. But if you meet a friendly horse, will you communicate by more? How will you speak to that horse? What does the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What the fox say? What does the fox say? The secret of the fox, ancient mystery, somewhere deep in the woods. I know you're hiding. What is your sound? Will we ever?
I just want to thank you for watching my video of Mr. Derby. I am his foster mom, Pam, and I've had him for almost 3 months. Most of you have seen him at Dublin, hiding between legs, running from adopters, being very shy, but I want you to look past that. That's why I made this video. This is what Derby is like when all that chaos is gone and he's at home, relaxed. This is the dog you see. This is the dog he becomes. And he is amazing, fun, loving, and boy can he play. And he gets along with the dogs, the cats, and has a blast. He is a cuddler and a lover. And I just wanted to make sure that you've seen the other side of Derby and that this is his second chance for you to see what he is outside of the adoption event in a home setting. And again, thank you for watching my video because he does deserve a second chance. Thank you.